Welcome to TSW News. We bring you the biggest developments from around the world. US slaps 25% tariff on Indian goods. India-US trade ties take a hit as Washington imposes steep tariffs on key Indian exports over Russia-linked trade deals. Markets reacted sharply with the Sensex plunging nearly 800 points. 6 Indian firms sanctioned by US over Iran oil trade. In a parallel crackdown, the US Treasury blacklisted 6 Indian companies accused of facilitating Iranian oil shipments, further complicating India's strategic trade position. New speed limits announced for national highways. The center has standardized maximum speed limits across national highways, aiming to improve road safety while streamlining traffic management across states. Rishikesh-Karanprayag rail line inches forward. One of India's most ambitious hill railway projects enters a critical phase with new tunnels and station designs being fast-tracked. Completion is targeted before 2030. Vande Bharat now has 144 active trains. From 2 to 144 in just a few years, India's pride, the Vande Bharat Express, now operates across major metro and Tier 2 cities, offering faster, cleaner travel. Wayanad landslide anniversary observed in Kerala. 1 year after the deadly Puthumala landslide, locals gathered to remember the victims and push for stronger disaster preparedness in the Western Ghats. Twist in Kerala, nuns arrest row. A woman from Chhattisgarh had claimed her testimony in a religious conversion case was coerced, raising doubts over due process and every kind leading political debate. Delegates 821 crore rupees for waterlogging and urban upgrade. Center has sanctioned over 800 crore rupees for Delhi's monsoon drainage, slum rehab and civic infrastructure, an unexpected boost to CM Rekha Gupta's urban agenda. Army officers killed by boulder in Ladakh. A tragic accident in Ladakh claims 2 Indian Army officers when a massive rock falls on a moving convoy. The Army is now re-evaluating safety measures in high-risk zones. UK is set to recognize Palestinian state by September. In a potential geopolitical shift, the UK joins France and Ireland in planning to formally recognize Palestine, marking a fresh turn in Middle East diplomacy. Australia's first private rocket fails seconds after launch. A historic attempt to enter private orbital spaceflight ends in disappointment as Australia's first launch aborts 40 seconds after ignition. Investigations underway. Vijay Deverakonda, Kingdom X wins hearts. Tollywood star Vijay Deverakonda bounces back strong with his latest action drama, Kingdom X, already dubbed his best performance by fans and early reviewers. Southwest monsoon weakens. August rainfall below average. The IMD reports a significant weakening of the monsoon in central and southern India, raising concerns over agriculture and water storage levels this season. Chandrayaan-4 planning underway. ISRO targets 2028 sample return mission. ISRO is working on a revolutionary new lunar mission aimed at bringing back samples from the moon by 2028, taking cues from global space agencies. India's gems and jewelry exports jumped 20% in May. GJEPC reports a sharp rise in India's jewelry exports valued at 25,365 crore rupees, thanks to growing demand from Gulf and US markets.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.